Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to effectively preview your survey to ensure everything is working just right, including how to access preview mode and going over the features available in preview mode. Let's get started. Once you've completed building your survey, you'll want to check it by clicking the preview button located at the top right of the survey tab. This opens up the preview survey mode, allowing you to answer questions and navigate like your respondents will. In this mode, your survey will look exactly the same as it does with the real link. However, you'll have additional testing options at the top that won't appear to actual respondents. Remember that the preview link is strictly for testing, so don't share it with your survey takers. If you want someone else to preview the survey, feel free to share the preview link with them. Let's take a look at some useful preview tools. First up is Ignore Validation. This lets you skip questions with validation rules so you can focus on specific parts of your survey. Next, we have Show Hidden Questions. This will display questions normally hidden from respondents. You can also place bookmarks to tag your current page, making it easier to navigate later. And if you need to restart, just hit the Restart Survey button at any time.